Hello everyone, and welcome to Hungry for the Truth. Let's talk about personal disputes and spiritual matters. In Matthew 18, verses 14 through 20, it says, "Even so, it is not the will of your Father, which is in heaven, that one of these little ones should perish. Moreover, if thy brother shall trespass against thee, go and tell him his fault between thee and he. If he shall hear thee, thou hast gained thy brother. But if he will not hear thee, then take with thee one or two more, that in the mouth of 2 or 3 witnesses every word may be established. And if he shall neglect to hear them, tell it to the church. But if he neglect to hear the church, let him be unto thee as a heathen man and a Republican. Verily, verily, I say unto you, whatsoever ye shall bind on earth shall be bound in heaven, and whatsoever ye shall loose on earth shall be loosed in heaven. Again, I say unto you, that if 2 of you shall agree on earth as touching anything that they shall ask, it shall be done for them of my Father, which is in heaven. For where 2 or 3 are gathered together in my name, there I am in the midst of them." When in a dispute with another, we should lovingly and privately talk to that individual, seeking to resolve the disagreement. However, if no resolution is reached and you must find a solution, the help of our brothers and sisters or our civil systems usually offer options by which we might find a solution in worldly matters, although it might not be an ideal situation. However, never let your anger control you, and never let no man trouble your heart or cause you to lose your faith. Our thoughts should be on things that are holy, not on petty issues, evil individuals, or the like. Do what you must. Forgive. Thank God for the experience, and take another step closer to God. Every man will have their day before the Lord, and we should only be concerned about our day of judgment. Our Father and Jesus see everything. They are the only ones capable of proper judgment. And remember, everything worth having is not easy to get. If there are any questions, or if there's something you would like to add, feel free to leave me a comment or send an email to Hungry for the Truth. Hungry for the Truth is one word at yahoo.com. And may God bless you, and may the Holy Trinity and all of our spiritual family members always be with us. Thank you, and good day.